What's up, y'all? We're going to be talking about a multi-action event, and we're going to tie that into Microsoft Teams to create a mute button that will automatically set focus and mute your Teams call. Stick around. Let's get into it real quick and dirty like. All right, y'all. Let's get into it. But before I do, if you like content like this, please hit like, comment, and smash that subscribe. And just like we did last time, let's go ahead and put some time on the clock. We're gonna go ahead and put 3 minutes on, just like that. And now let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open up our Stream Deck application that's on our, right now I'm running a Mac, but you can go ahead and run it on a Windows computer. And as we go ahead and we're gonna go forward and we're going to add in what's called a multi-action event. Now you'll also notice on the bottom left corner there's mute teams, and that is from our video that we created the other day. Go out there, I'm gonna link it here on the screen somewhere, take a look. And that's just a basic event on how to create teams. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that to the next level. On this channel, we're always trying to take it to the next level, getting it higher, getting it better, getting it more crispy. All right. So now we're going here, we got our multi-action event. We added it to our Stream Deck, just like that. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go back to that basics. In case you didn't see that video from before, I'm just gonna add that hotkey. So let's go ahead and drag the hotkey in here to the multi-action event window. I'm gonna go ahead and assign my hotkeys, which I know are Command, Shift, and M, just like that. I'm gonna title it so that I don't forget or somebody doesn't take a look at it and doesn't understand what it is that I'm doing. Okay, just like that. And now the next item is we're going to add in the application that we're trying to open. So let's go ahead and add in this application open. Let's go ahead and find our application right here. We're going to look at, right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and as simply as I do that, boom, just like that, the multi-action event is done and it's on the screen. Now I'm gonna go ahead and name it. So let's go ahead and name it real quick. So I'll call it Mute Teams, just like I did before, but this is a multi-action event. It's gonna call up the application as we go ahead and do it. Multi-action event, Mute Teams, there we go. Just like that. Say I'm in a conference call or I'm in a meeting or I'm in a session. At this point, I'm gonna have to go back over and I'm gonna have to respond, but then trying to find that screen, unmute the screen sometimes can be a little difficult but I know that most of you out there don't ever multitask while you're on a Teams call or a meeting. That never happens, ever. I mean, ever. Anyway, so let's go ahead and show you here. So we're in here, we're gonna be selecting our Safari. And now as I select my button, it's gonna mute and unmute, okay? As simple as that, y'all. That's a multi-action event. And as I go ahead and end this today and then check the time, crushing it. If you like content like this, please hit like, comment, and smash that subscribe. So, as always, do better, be better, because you know better. Peace out, y'all.